Hello everyone. We want to have multiple camera so we can cycle between them. We are going to need to use our game controller to help us doing this logic. First of all, let's move this main camera inside game control into here. Now, now we can see camera preview. Right click and choose duplicate. Now, here, camera 1, 6. Now can see this camera, main camera 1. Now share. Now this enable, this disable. Okay. Now we create duplicate and here duplicate. 1, 2, 3, 4. Camera 1, camera 2. Now camera 3. The camera preview that we now focus on the camera number 4. If you look at the camera, when you swap in the camera that are focused on the hierarchy, all camera disable or enable. Can see here, disable, enable. Now go to game controller script, right here, public game arrays, game camera, save. Go to, you can see a component, you can see a component here, game camera, the size 0. You can change the number size for. We can see 4 slot. drag and drop all our camera and position them in this sort. One, two, three, and four. Play button. Now go to slot. We can see here the message. Slot 1, slot 2, slot 3, and final slot 4. Therefore, all of them are located Windows console. You can even see that sometime you receive warning a kind of the log message in the console that they are for audio listener in the scene. Now go to game controller script, write private integer game control index equals 0. Private 0. Uh, the index mean number is kind of going to point to the camera that we want to us. We want to cycle among camera. If we press click left button in mouse, we go to next camera, and right mouse button, we go previous camera. We want to make a method called void focus on the camera here. On and right loop for camera. Language dot set active if I equal index. Okay. And right here, game method, focus on camera, game camera index. Now we want to make new method void change camera in that direction. Direction variable here is going to be either 1 or a -1 because this is going to be the delta for to index, going to increase or decrease the game camera index by certain value. Now right inside the change camera, game camera index plus equal direction. Now if game camera index now write game camera index bigger than and equal game camera length and game camera index less than 0. Focus on camera, game camera index, and right here go inside the method update. Now 0 mean left mouse button, 1 mean right mouse button. Now right inside and update this if input get mouse button 0, change camera 1. Save. Now make play button. When press the button mouse left, we can see the change the camera. Now when press in right mouse, nothing do. Go to code and write here in 1. This means right button in mouse and here put -1. Save and the play button and here on work the right and left button and right button on mouse. Let's make a camera to look at our player. Just we are going to make a new script in the project windows called cache camera. Create script. Now open the script and we need to set the target for the cache camera, so we can type here public form transform the target. Now write an update method update method transform look at target. Now save, go to cache camera and put in camera 3. save, okay, play, transform, target, file, save. Now this is camera 3. Put in player and targets. None. Okay, player. Now play button. 1, 2, 3. Now 4. See the camera will look at player. Now, thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.